DOT is the native cryptocurrency of Polkadot, a blockchain interoperability protocol founded in 2016. It is a shared blockchain, meaning it connects several different chains together in a single network, allowing them to process transactions in parallel and exchange data between chains without sacrificing security. DOT has been getting quite the treatment that promises good things for the token in the future. But is it? So let's talk about DOT and how well it'll be able to perform. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, and keep in mind, we do not represent investment trading or any other type of advice, and you should not regard any of its content as such. This channel does not recommend that you buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency. Before making any investment decisions, complete your own due diligence and talk with your financial advisor. Polkadot was released in 2017. The initial run produced 10 million DOT tokens for the initial offering that raised $145 million at the time. An interesting feature of Polkadot is that it has no hard limit on its total supply. Instead, new DOT tokens are constantly released into circulation at a predetermined annual inflation rate of 10%. At the time of writing this video, the total circulating supply of DOT is 1.10 billion tokens. DOT's price reached a peak of $6.30 shortly after it launched in May 2020, then wavered between $4 and $5 for the remainder of 2020. In May 2021, DOT's price hits an all-time high of $49.80. During the Q4 bull run of 2021, DOT's price hit another peak of $44.41 in October. At the time of this writing, DOT is being traded at $50.42. So, how does it work? There are thousands of cryptocurrencies across the ecosystem, a vast majority of which can't communicate with each other. For example, users can't send their Dogecoin over Chainlink, for instance, or vice versa. Polkadot aims to fix that by building a framework that interconnects blockchains, even if each chain performs different functions to one another. At the center of Polkadot sits the relay chain, a central blockchain that connects other all-participating blockchains together. The relay chain processes all transactions taking place in the ecosystem, at the same time with the goal of improving scalability. User-created blockchains that hook into the relay chain are known as parachains. By allowing blockchains to communicate with its platform, Polkadot is able to connect many blockchains in a way that wasn't possible before. Polkadot relies on nominated proof of stake, (NPOS), a method of validating crypto transactions based on how many coins each participant has put up as collateral. NPOS is designed with 4 rules for users who hold DOT. Polkadot's roadmap describes in more detail how far along the developers are in connecting blockchains. Based on historical data, there is even a forecast that the DOT price may come up with its own blockchain platform, transitioning itself from Ethereum base, getting enlisted in the major cryptocurrency exchanges, the world by the end of 2022, taking Polkadot price to $65. The end of the year 2022 could bid a bye to all negative and pessimistic trends for the world of cryptocurrencies, especially for Polkadot. It could mean the beginning of an era of hopes and promises full of optimism. The cherished asset would rise to anywhere between $74 to $80. Expert investors in cryptocurrencies always plan for the long term rather than the short term. It would not exaggerate that this is priced cryptocurrency. Polkadot, might break all the barriers and withstand the test of time, scaling a peak of $90 for 2024 and beyond. With fiat currencies unable to sustain themselves in the wake of the pandemic, this might come as a reprieve for all Polkadot investors, leading them to the path of high hopes and aspirations to transact in DOT. With a bit of patience and keeping the hopes high in the long term, investors can expect a turnaround by the end of 2025, as the adoption would grow exponentially, but when Polkadot would be a seasoned player. With that, we have come to the end for now. I hope you found it useful. For more videos, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next one.